how to turn off or on your calls vibrate on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on vibrate calls on your Signal application. So it's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications, and now scroll down again and click on calls vibrate. And this is how you turn on your calls vibrate on your Signal application. You choose if you want to turn it off or on, whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.